If you're looking to start working from home and engage in affiliate marketing, here are some guidelines to help you get started. Research and choose a niche. Select a specific area of interest or expertise that you're passionate about and that has potential for profitable affiliate marketing. This will help you focus your efforts and target a specific audience. Find reputable affiliate programs. Look for established and trustworthy affiliate programs that align with your niche. Research their commission structures, payment methods, and track record. Popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate, ClickBank.com. Build a website or blog. Establish an online presence by creating a professional website or blog. This platform will serve as the hub for your affiliate marketing activities. Use a reliable hosting service. Choose a user-friendly content management system, such as WordPress, and create high-quality, engaging content. Create valuable content. Produce high-quality content that is relevant to your niche and valuable to your audience. This could include product reviews, tutorials, comparisons, and informative articles. Strive for authenticity and provide genuine recommendations to build trust with your readers. Optimize your website for search engines. Implement search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to increase your website's visibility in search engine results. Research keywords related to your niche and incorporate them naturally into your content, titles, headings, and meta tags. Promote your content. Use various marketing channels to promote your content and drive traffic to your website. This could include social media marketing, email marketing, guest posting on other blogs, participating in relevant online communities, and running paid advertising campaigns if your budget allows. Select relevant affiliate products. Identify and promote affiliate products that are closely related to your niche and will genuinely benefit your audience. Avoid promoting products solely for the sake of earning a commission, as this can damage your credibility. Track and analyze performance. Utilize analytics tools to track the performance of your website, including visitor traffic, conversion rates, and affiliate sales. This data will help you identify what's working and what needs improvement, allowing you to refine your strategies. Stay updated and adapt. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic field, so stay updated with industry trends, new products, and changes in algorithms or regulations. Continuously adapt your strategies based on your findings and the evolving needs of your audience. Maintain ethical practices. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships. Clearly disclose any affiliate links or sponsored content. Building trust with your audience is crucial for long-term success. Remember that success in affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and consistency. It's essential to stay dedicated, continuously learn, and adapt your strategies as you gain more experience. Fast Start link in the description.